Hello students of Con 8101 Residential Estimating. My name is Sean. Welcome to our video tutorial of a joist plan drawing. In this video, I will describe the characteristics of a joist plan and their functions. Sill plates. Sill plates are wooden 2x6 lumber that sit along the top of the entire foundation walls and are bolted down by anchor bolts. After the plates have been squared, they will be leveled and mortar will be placed underneath. Some plates require other methods to be placed underneath the plate. Rim board. The rim board and exterior joists are the exterior portions of the floor section in which the floor joists are nailed to. In other words, they form the perimeter of the ground floor. LVL. In this plan, there are a few examples of LVL, laminated veneer lumber. They provide additional support in weakened areas, acting as support beams. These beams support the vertical loads and have joists constructed into them. Hangers. Hangers are metal supports that hold a joist in place. Joist hangers vary in shapes and sizes depending on the number of joists or beams being placed in them. They mainly consist of three types, which are shear hangers, post frame hangers, and heavy-duty shear hangers. They can be hook-up or non-hook-up. Joists. Joists are prefabricated wooden I-beams, typically not bigger than 3.5 inches in width. The web of the joist can vary in height, but these plans are scheduled for 9.5 inch that are perpendicular to the steel beam. More specifically, the direction of the joist will be depicted in the plan as such. They can also be placed between LVLs and foundation walls or steel beams. They provide the frame support and the subfloor and vary in shapes and sizes. They consist of standard lumber, however, TGI, truss joists, I-joists are more frequently used now than ever in residential buildings. Point loads. Point loads provide additional support to vertical loads in specific locations that require support. For example, beneath a patio door, a supporting wall, a bathtub, shower, and windows. Typically, point loads are cut 2x6s to the height of the rim board. Stair hole. Prior to the subfloor installation, LVL is placed on top of the foundation wall and steel beams to allow for the pre-engineered stairwell to be placed into the basement hole. Interior basement studs. The continuous line surrounding the inside of the foundation between the foundation and the footing line represents the interior wooden stubs, spaced 24 inches off center. According to the code, it is necessary to have 1.5 inches airspace, 0.6 mil vapor barrier underneath the wall's bottom plate, and 5 feet of tar paper placed between the wall and the exterior foundation wall. Subfloors. The subfloor is a rough floor in which the finished floors or flooring material will be placed on. Subfloor will be different types of material. Some include plywood or particle board. It is installed on top of the joists. This concludes our tutorial on our joist plan. Our next video will cover the topic of the ground floor plan. Thank you for watching.